watch movie on Google Meet with sound. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to watch movie in Google Meet with the sound. Now, unfortunately, Google Meet is a free video conferencing services that allows users to make voice and video calls, sharing screen and chat with others. Now this is not a platform where you could actually go ahead and watch a movie, but what you could do is the alternative solution is that you could go ahead and present your videos, or you could actually go ahead and screen share your content and watch movie together with your friends or family, or maybe with your class. Now to do it, so you need to open up a browser first thing and type in meet.google.com. Here you could either create a meeting or the other person could create it. It doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna create a new meeting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start an instant meeting. Now that I've actually started the meeting, here you will be asked whether you want to access all of these. So you do have to actually access your camera as well as your microphone. So you just have to go ahead and enable all sort of things. Now when you started the meeting, you just need to wait for the other participants to join in. So just wait patiently. As you can see that I've actually started the meeting. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a YouTube watch a movie. Just for the tutorial purpose, I'm showing me. Let's see, I'm going to go with this one. Alright, so when I've actually this particular thing, and then I'm going to do is share my screen, which is at the bottom. You can see this upward arrow icon. You just do it. So here you'll be asked whether to do the entire screen. Since you're watching a movie, it would be best if you do the entire screen and click share. After that, you need to go and click the share button, and now everybody present in the meeting will be able to watch your screen or watch your activity. So if File Explorer, if you have already stored a movie words, then download the file location and then start playing it, you will watch it. So this is a way you could go and share your screen or watch movies. So this video, I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.